Real talk. Regular people are making $5,000 to $20,000 a month right now using tools most of you have never heard of. No fancy degrees, not tech geniuses, just normal folks who started before everyone else caught on. I'm showing you 10 of these. Number 8 is the big one. People are hitting 6 figures with it. Let's go. First, making videos for businesses without showing your face. Small businesses need videos but hate being on camera. You use HeyGen or Synthesia. Create a 60-second video with a digital avatar. Charge $200, $500 per video. Takes 15 minutes. One guy makes $8,400 a month working 15 hours a week. Zero video experience before starting. 5 clients equals $2,000 to $20,500 a month minimum. Number 2, writing for businesses with ChatGPT. Not basic blogs, sales emails, product descriptions, website copy that makes money. Sales pages go for $300 to $1,000. Email sequences, $500 to $800. One person landed a Shopify client paying $3,200 monthly just for product descriptions. 20 hours of work. 3 clients like that, you're at $10,000. Number 3, faceless YouTube channels. ChatGPT writes scripts, 11 Labs does voiceovers, Pictory handles visuals. People are making $5,000 to $30,000 monthly without showing their face. Top niches right now: true crime, mysteries, top 10 videos, literally what you're watching. A 19-year-old runs 5 channels making $12,000 a month total, 10 hours a week. Number 4, setting up chatbots for local businesses. Dentists, lawyers, restaurants need 24/7 customer service but can't afford staff. You use MiniChat or ChatFuel, no coding needed. Charge $500 to $2,000 setup, then $200 to $500 monthly maintenance. Once it's running, it handles itself. 8 clients in maintenance equals $3,200 monthly, checking in 5 hours a month. Number 5, creating designs with Midjourney or DALL-E and selling on t-shirts, mugs, whatever. Upload to Redbubble or Etsy. Every time someone buys, you get paid. No inventory, no shipping. One person made 200 designs in a weekend. Now making $4,800 monthly. Bestseller? Cat wearing sunglasses. Upload 50 to 100 designs and let it run. Number 6, managing social media for businesses. ChatGPT writes captions, Canva makes graphics, Buffer schedules posts. Charge $800 to $2,000 monthly per client. 7 clients at $1,200 each equals $8,400 a month. A stay-at-home mom has 9 clients, makes $11,700 monthly working during nap time. Businesses are desperate for this. Number 7, voiceovers for videos. YouTubers and businesses pay $200 to $500 per minute for professional voice actors. You use 11 Labs or Murph, create the same quality in minutes. Charge $50 to $150 per project. One person makes $6,300 monthly doing just voiceovers, under 30 minutes per project. Number 8, the big one. Selling online courses or digital products. People are making $20,000 to $100,000 plus monthly. Use ChatGPT to create a course on anything profitable. Instagram growth, resume writing, doesn't matter. Canva for materials, sell on Gumroad or Teachable. Create once. Sales forever. A teacher made a course in 1 weekend, charge $47. First month, $15, $19, $80. 8 months later, $22,000 monthly with 0 extra work. Digital products have 90 to 95% profit margins. No inventory, no shipping. This is how you hit $10,000 plus fast. Number 9, email marketing automation. Email gets $42 back for every dollar spent. Most businesses don't know how to use it. ChatGPT writes the emails, MailChimp sends them automatically. Charge $800 to $2,500 setup, $300 to $600 monthly maintenance. 5 clients equals $4,000 to $7,500 monthly recurring income. One setup runs 24/7. Number 10, market research and data analysis. Companies need competitor analysis and trend reports, but won't pay $10,000 to consulting firms. You use ChatGPT and Perplexity, gather data, create professional reports, charge $500 to $2,000 per report. 5 to 7 reports monthly at $800 each equals $4,000 to $5,600. 15 hours a week. Businesses in finance, tech, e-commerce need this constantly. There it is. 10 ways regular people are making real money in 2025. The only difference between the people making money and everyone else? They started. Pick one of these and start today. If you want more content that actually changes your bank account, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I drop this every week. Don't let this be another video you watch and forget. See you in the next one. Now go make it happen.